How to enable secure boot in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to search for system information and see if your secure boot is on or not. And as you can see, my secure boot state is unsupported, but for you can either on it or off it. So first of all, let's start by going in Windows and go for its settings. Once you're in settings, you have to go for the Windows update. Now you have to go for this advanced options. Now scroll all the way to this recovery. Once you have entered in recovery, you have to go for this advanced startup and simply restart your PC. So now you have to go for the troubleshoot and simply go for the advanced settings, and from there you have to go for the UEFI firmware setting and simply restart it. And then you will be ended up in the UEFI BIOS settings, so where you have to simply go for the boot and simply enable it. So that's how basically you can enable secure boot in Windows 11.